Hello everyone, this is Kara. Today I am going to decoupage this pink truck in the field of flowers on top of this pallet wood Texas shape. I thrifted this sign over the weekend at a flea market, and I thought it would be cute to have the pink truck on there. So I kind of cleaned it up, sanded it a little bit, prepped it for decoupage, and I believe I'm going to center the truck like this, do my white brush or water brush around the edge, and then I can fill in kind of soft muted colors of this green and pink on the sides, and then I can leave the top natural, I think. So let's get started. I'm just going to tear my paper where that seam is between the two pieces of wood there. And then we'll come down the sides. And give that a tear. Okay. I think I will also use this dirt. We'll apply with Pentart's Decoupage Varnish and glue. Okay, I'm going to do the top half first. Basically going to glue up that board. Pretty generously. Gives you a starting place. Then you're going to pull back. And easy. Put a little bit on my edges there. Go over the top real quick. I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back. Okay, now we're going to sand off this edge. Give that a little cut and make it easier. like that. And we'll fill in with paint down below, out toward El Paso. And let's see what's over here. Nacogdoches, Deep East Texas. So we'll fill in a little bit there. Down to Galveston, El Paso, and see what we have after that. We're back and it's time to blend. I've mixed a few colors that are matte, sort of close to what's in this paper. Some, let's see, mint julep for some green. Got two different shades of pink. One's a apple barrel light pink. Another is a soft pink from Dixie Belle. Got some sage. Got some gray linen from Wise Out. It's just really whatever you might have on hand. There's some dark chocolate in there. White from Rust-Oleum. So it truly is a hodgepodge of different paints. They're generally all either chalk paint or some sort of matte acrylic craft paint. So the trick is just to mix and blend until you kind of get the right shade that you're looking for to blend in with the paper, and you can even paint over the paper a little bit as you go to make it more organic. So okay, I'm kind of taking a stab at this and blend it in a little bit better. Kind of eliminated some of the hard line and some of the pink there by adding a little bit of yellow, beiges, greens, some mauve colors. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, it is a palette piece, right? Let me zoom out a little if I can. I might do a little on the sky, but we're pretty close. So as you can see, basically just need a variety of paints. Mix and match as you see fit. And it's kind of abstract down here, but you don't need exact replica of all that, so I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. This was a flea market find. Added a decoupage paper from Decoupage Central, and there is spring in Texas right there. So, happy crafting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get a pink truck yourself and what you might do with yours. And I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and help me produce more videos. Happy crafting!